Yo, what is going on, everyone? How are you guys doing today? Welcome. Give me a second, real quick. Let's turn down the music. I hope we're not gonna get copyright problems again, but we actually shouldn't. So, how are you guys doing? What is going on? Welcome. We're gonna have a comfortable, relaxing Bitcoin chat today. Basically, we're going over the markets real quick. We're checking the news. We're gonna see what's going on with the Amazon rumors. And to be honest, guys, well, I'm not really a technical analyst, I'm just trying to process as much information as I got from the past markets when I was already in Bitcoin. I already witnessed hard forks and so on. I already witnessed bigger dips. And from what I see right now, it is definitely possible that we're going to surpass $6,000 on this stream. I don't really expect that there will be a huge pullback this time from $6,000 because the reason for that is that everyone knows that they can profit from the hard forks, and there will be another hard fork in November, and that hard fork, the SegWit2X one, is definitely more profitable for people. If we have a look in here, we can see that the SegWit2X coin in the future market, it went even up a little bit right now. It's over $1,000 if you compare that to Bitcoin Gold. And you guys saw what happened when people were preparing for Bitcoin Gold. Bitcoin pretty much soared. I mean, we are still in all-time high range pretty much right now. And now think about what's going to happen when people are preparing for the 2X coin, SegWit2X coin. I mean, I will profit from it. Exodus will probably support it, I think. Coinbase will definitely support it. So all the Bitcoin I have right now, I'm not going to sell them, and more people are joining actually, so the value is going up. I mean, I sell a little bit of Bitcoin, but not that much. Not what's in my Exodus. Only the thing from Coinbase. So, yeah, this looks very promising. This actually looks very promising right now. Yo, BP Life, PB Life, welcome. Gefton Cyprian, welcome. Bitcoin Massive, welcome to the channel, everyone. By the way, for all those who are new, please make sure to hit that sub button. And yeah. Just give me a second real quick. All right. Okay, so one Bitcoin, $7,000. It could happen, actually. The thing is, I don't really like, to say numbers when it comes to predictions, but what I think is that $7,000 before the hard fork is definitely possible, because as I said, the hard fork is pretty much free money, and there are more and more people getting an understanding for that because there is more content on YouTube and other social medias. More and more people are talking about it and explaining it and making it simple. Yeah, so people learn from it. I mean, some people are saying that $10,000 is still possible by the end of this year. As I said, I really don't want to say any numbers, but I think that $10,000 would be in a possible range. Yeah, it would not be, like very absurd or anything. And yeah, would you invest in BitConnect again after these forks or just hold Bitcoin? As we speak right now, it's actually quite good to just hold Bitcoin, to be honest. I'm personally the only investment I would do right now, the only investment where I'm not happy yet. I'm happy at BitConnect, I'm happy at BitClub. I have a few altcoins, not that many. So the only investment I would do right now is Genesis Mining when they come back with their Bitcoin mining contracts. Then I will definitely invest a big bunch in Genesis Mining contracts, that's for sure. But besides that, I'm actually just holding Bitcoin. Date of the November hard fork. Oh, there is no date. We don't know the exact date because it depends on the block number. All right. And the blocks, they should always be 10 minutes, but sometimes they're a little bit more, sometimes they're a little bit less. And so we don't know the exact date, but it's somewhere in the middle of November, something like that. I'm not quite sure. But I will definitely keep you guys up to date. How can I check if my deposit on a paper wallet are entitled to receive Bitcoin Gold? You cannot really do that right now. The thing is that Bitcoin Gold does actually not even exist yet. From my understanding, the blockchain does not even exist yet. Basically, all the trading you see right now is just future trading. So let's say, for example, you had your Bitcoin on an exchange which supports Bitcoin Gold. What's going to happen is that they split it for you. So they are just showing you in their database that you would have the right for that much Bitcoin Gold, and then you can trade with that. But that's just future trading. So that's basically trading a coin which does not even exist yet. So from my understanding, the blockchain does not exist, so there are no real wallets yet. So right now there is no option to safely get your Bitcoin Gold right now, except for if you're a developer and write your own code or something like that. So yeah, I would definitely not mess around with Bitcoin Gold right now. But I have plenty of videos about Bitcoin Gold. So maybe just go to my channel, to my newest videos, and there's a video which is called Warning Bitcoin Gold or something like that. You should definitely watch that one. That maybe helps you to get a little bit better of an understanding. What is the best investing website right now? Oh, that really depends. That really depends. If you want to have high risk, high reward, or if you want to have low risk, more long term, that really depends. But overall, the best investment, in my opinion, is just to have Bitcoin. That is my personal opinion in this whole cryptocurrency game. That's full honesty in here. My personal investment is just having Bitcoin. So that's very important. So I always want to have, from now on, I always want to have, as I always recommended, when people are asking me, oh, Sonny, I want to invest in BitConnect, in Genesis, in BitClub Network, I'm always telling them, listen, if you want to invest $10,000, then just for $5,000 buy one Bitcoin. Well, you can't really anymore right now, but you know what I mean. You buy Bitcoin, and with the other 50%, you go on different platforms. Maybe me personally, I would recommend Genesis mining, but just the Bitcoin mining contracts, BitClub Network, still BitConnect. It still looks that they are moving on and on and on. And yeah, with that recent news that BitConnect is going to make it to the hit BTC exchange, I mean, that changes the game again, in my opinion. Hey Sonny, any new BitConnect-like investment platforms coming up? There are some. ETH Connect, I made a video about it. I don't really believe in long-term sustainability, and people were actually hating me for leaving my referral link there, but I probably will buy some coins just to maybe profit like people profited from Regal Coin. I'm just trying it, but I don't expect it to be good. So in my opinion, there's just only BitConnect when you want to do a lending investment. So yeah, if you're asking me for a lending investment, then there's only BitConnect. How can I invest in Bitcoin Gold? Well, I think you can't yet. Maybe if you go to Bitfinex. Wow, there are actually sirens out there. Oh, guys, they're maybe coming from me right now. It's the FBI. Oh my goodness. No, it's not. All right. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, Falcon Coin. No, I really don't believe in all these other platforms, to be honest. ETH Connect faked their team with other people's photos. Yeah, actually, someone was telling me something about that. I will do a video about that. Definitely. But probably that's not gonna change anything for me. I still will drop maybe $100 or something. I just want to see if I can really make such a move, just to, like, it's absolute absurd. It's bad, actually. It's actually a bad move. But if something like Regal Coin happens and you can really 25x or 50x your money, I mean, that would be awesome. Just, to have that experience, because in the future it won't be possible anymore. There will be so many regulations on ICOs in the future that in the future stuff like Regal Coin, maybe even BitConnect, stuff like that will really have troubles. BitPetite, how about? I don't believe in BitPetite at all. I had a video about it. You invested in Electroneum? No, I did not invest in Electroneum. Is it the right time to invest in BitConnect right now, or should we wait for hard fork of Bitcoin? That's up to you, Abby. That's up to you. I'm not gonna invest more in BitConnect. Probably to be honest, guys, I'm not gonna do any more loans, I think, on BitConnect. If I'm gonna invest more money in BitConnect, then I will actually just buy BitConnect and get the desktop wallet and maybe do a staking. So yeah, that's probably something I'm gonna do with BitConnect. I mean, right now when they hit BTC exchange, I really see that the BitConnect coin can make it actually very far. I mean, if you think about it, it's in the top 8 right now. As I said that like 1 month ago or something. I said that soon it will surpass Monero. I remember that. I was saying that in a video maybe 1 or 2 months ago. And after that, Monero actually soared to over $100. Then I was like, all right, maybe that was the wrong prediction, but it actually happened. And I don't know, man. It is BitConnect. It is BitConnect. But definitely these programs, they will have they will get into trouble when there will be regulations on ICOs. Well, BitConnect probably not, because BitConnect is not an ICO anymore. That makes it even better than the others. But yeah, have you seen LoanBit? No, no. Tell me ETH Connect. Well, it's basically just a copy of BitConnect, but they also accept Ethereum. Their page looks okay, but I'm just saying. Well, basically, I just made that video because I knew a lot of people will ask about it, and a lot of people want to make a quick buck with, you know, like with these platforms. And I know that this platform ETH Connect will get hyped on YouTube. I can promise you that, because I get the more I do videos and the more I am on YouTube, the more I get an understanding from what people want to see and what people are after. And a lot of people are after these programs because they see a high chance to make a lot of money. The thing is that those programs are very risky. I mean, a lot of you guys maybe lost money on Control Finance. I didn't, because I predicted it that, or I made a video about it, that I think it is a scam, and it turned out to be one. But So yeah, ETH Connect, it's just that ETH Connect will get a lot of publicity. That's what I think. Because it just looks way better than all these others, Hextra Coin, Regal Coin, and all these coins. They all look just bad, and ETH Connect at least looks decent. ETH Connect is a scam, do your due diligence. Yeah, I know that there is weird stuff going on. I also think that Regal Coin is a scam. I also think that Hextra Coin and all these coins are scams, you know? But that doesn't change the fact that you can actually make tons of money if you do it right. I mean, people who played it right at Regal Coin, I'm not talking about referrals, just talking about the coins. There are people out there who invested $1,000 and they were able to sell it for like $25. So basically they bought 1,000 coins or something for $1, I think. And then they sold it when one coin was 25 or 50, or I don't even know, man. Is Regal Coin a scam? I think so, yeah. I think that Regal Coin will not really be sustainable or anything. No. Guys, for all those people who are asking right now about certain platforms, just check my videos. Just go to my video playlists on my channel, and you can check out. I have videos about BitPT, Regal Coin, and so on. All right, but let's talk about the Amazon thing, guys. Let's talk about. Actually, I wanted to make this Bitcoin. Hey, super worried about 2x. Should I pull my money and wait and see? Thanks, great job. Well, to be honest, the most money you make, if you are after the most money you make, then you hold Bitcoin right now. You just hold Bitcoin, as many as you can, because you will get the exact same amount of SegWit2x coin as you have on Bitcoin. So it's basically just free money. Obviously, the prices of the coins can drop, but from last hard forks, what we have seen is that, yeah, holding Bitcoin is the strategy here. Bro, my plan to buy Bitcoin, if I buy that time I went 4 BTC down again. I don't get that question. If you're asking if Bitcoin is gonna go down to $4,000, I don't think so. Not right now, no. Do you heard about Terra Miner? No. Well, maybe once. I'm not sure. There are so many people interested in these programs. This is absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely. All right. Should we make this high yield investment program stream? I mean, I could do that actually, but no, actually we have to check the Amazon thingy first. So basically, I found this in German. I'm just gonna translate that real quick. Basically, they're saying in here, and this post is from. Wait a second. This post is from 2 days ago, right? Yeah. Okay, so basically they're saying that Amazon could accept Bitcoin in the future, so it's possible that there are rumors about it in Silicon Valley. All right, okay. Well, they're just expecting it. All right, so it's still not confirmed, guys. It is still not confirmed, guys. All right, there's more and more speculation right now. So basically, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? That's what we're talking in here. So this is just rumors, actually, from what I see right now. Do you guys have any confirmation that Amazon actually... I think there's no confirmation yet. It's just rumors again, guys. At least from this article in here. And this is pretty serious German news thingy. What happens to Bitcoin miners when all coins are mined? They will have the exact same job. They will do the exact same thing, but there will be no coins anymore from the Bitcoin network itself. There will only be the coins from the transaction fees, all right? And those coins from the transaction fees, they're going to get distributed to the miners. That's how it regulates itself long term. All right. Wow. All right. But guys, I mean, let's be honest, guys. I mean, I don't know. You can check this article in here if you're German, or you can send me another article, but I'm pretty sure this is just rumors. So buy the rumor, sell the news, right? So we'll definitely see a pump. I think that we will see a pump, guys, towards the hard fork. Maybe not right now. It could be that we're actually going a little bit back again, but I think... wait a second. So November will be in... I think from the, definitely from the 5th November on, then definitely, the panic buyings are going on because everyone wants to profit from the hard fork. That's what I think. And people will also sell their altcoins. That's what I think as well. So before the hard fork, the altcoins will go down again and people will buy Bitcoin. You think Neo is a... I'm not sure about Neo. Really. It's the Chinese Ethereum, right? I don't know that much about it, but it's not a coin I'm interested in. I'm pretty much just, to be honest, I mean, I made a video about it, about trading and so on, because a lot of people were interested in trading and altcoins. But if you go back in time and just check what would have been the most profitable way to make money, well, with the less risks, with the least risks, it would have actually been buying BitConnect coins, which is really funny. But let's leave BitConnect outside of this. Basically, just buying Bitcoin and holding is the best you can actually do, pretty much, for long term. That's at least from the past, And I'm doing good with this strategy. I'm really trying not to go too deep into altcoins and so on, and I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. And that's a payment. What was that? That is probably Genesis mining. Yeah, but actually Genesis mining, the Ethereum contract, that was probably one of the worst investments ever. Probably in all my portfolio, the Genesis mining Ethereum contract, yeah, was probably my worst investment so far. Do you have moderators on your channel? No, I don't. Hard fork is today, right? And also 1st of November. No, the hard fork is already over. The Bitcoin Gold hard fork is already over. It happened, I think, at the 24th or something. I have videos about that. For those who are new, guys, for those who have all these questions about these different platforms, about, Hextra Coin, Falcon Coin, BitConnect, Genesis Mining, Big Club Network, and so on, I'm gonna show you how you can actually easily find that on my channel real quick. Just in case if you're new, and then you know where you can find my opinion about these different platforms. And most of them are actually covered. I really try to have a little bit of everything. Alright, so here is basically my channel intro. If you just are on the Sunny Decree channel, my channel intro, here are always the newest videos. So every new video will end up in here or in here. If it's nice, your review over here, but all the videos are pretty much ending up over here. So here's always the newest video. Then here's the ICO review series with all these Engine Coin, Euclid, Paragon Coin, Western Coin, Electroneum, Hextra Coin. Then we have all the Genesis mining videos, all the Big Club Network videos, all the BitConnect videos, all the news. If there's something important going on, so if Amazon would, launch Bitcoin, it would end up in here as well. And then tutorials and breakdowns, and technological videos. And if you don't know how a hard fork works, I really recommend this video over here, Bitcoin hard fork segue to X, how to double your Bitcoin. I'm actually gonna post that in chat real quick. Yeah, it just seems like that the community this is helpful. This is just a helpful video, and it helped out a lot of people actually to understand a little bit more about, you know, like the technology and so on. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Do you think Bitcoin will have a pullback after next fork or continue to moon? I think that there will be a pullback, James. Yes. I think that there will be a pullback. I'm not sure, you know, I mean, it depends on the news. Let's say the hard fork goes down, then we expect a pullback, and then one day later, Amazon comes out, yo, we accept Bitcoin right now. Then there won't be a pullback. Then this will just be, I don't even know, man. If Amazon is going to officially announce we accept Bitcoin, yeah. I don't know, that could be something. Do you think Ethereum will be worth as much as Bitcoin one day? I don't know. I mean, so far, if you go back in time, you can see that investing in Ethereum over let's say the last 120, 150 days was not as good as investing in Bitcoin. I think that Ethereum has a lot of value, a lot of potential value, but the problem is, as long as there are ICOs, a lot of people are cashing out Ethereum. So right now you cannot really make that much money midterm. That's how I think about it, kind of. Maybe if there are regulations for ICOs, then yeah, there won't be that much cashed out and the price can go up. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure. So, all right. What news do we have anyway? Nothing special, right? Actually, there's nothing special. Maybe we find something on Twitter, but I don't think so. It was just, I mean, it would have been too nice, guys. But to be honest, if it really would be confirmed that Amazon would accept Bitcoin, my phone would already have rang today anyway. So yeah, it was just that a few people were talking about it and I checked it, but it's just rumors. It's just rumors. Does Amazon have a Twitter? Amazon Web Services. If it's over here, guys, I mean, think about that. Think about that. Look at that. 1.53 million followers. And this is Amazon. Wow. And think about that. There would be a tweet in here. Amazon accepts now Bitcoin for... I don't even know, man. Just Amazon accepts Bitcoin. Wow. I don't know. The problem with that, or the good thing with that, is that if Amazon does it, then there are gonna be thousands or hundreds or thousands of other companies who are like, hey man, did you see that? Amazon just did it. Wow, that would be a very good marketing strategy. You know what? We're gonna say, all right, you can pay with Bitcoin and we're gonna make it everything like 10% off if you pay for it with Bitcoin. Those will be marketing strategies. Though you will get customers, all right? Bitcoin will be used as a marketing tool as well. I'm pretty sure about that because, you know, basically, if you have a business, let's say you sell, what could you sell? I don't even know. You sell cars. Let's just say you sell cars. And then you are like, all right, I'm gonna offer my cars for Bitcoin right now, and you get a 5% discount. Well, you can't do that much, right? Well, let's say, or a 3% discount. And then apparently you get customers which would not come to your store, but they are coming because they have Bitcoin and they want to buy a car with Bitcoin. So you can attract new customers which would never ever come to your store, but they're coming because you're one of the first one who accepts Bitcoin. So something like that, I believe, is what's going to happen. And of course, guys, just think about it. How many people... All right, okay, we're going to make a game right now with the chat. All right, chat, now you have to be ready. Everyone who is in chat, very welcome, everyone. From time to time, we're doing a little game, and that's what we're doing right now. So everyone writes in chat right now. How many people do you know in your real life, not over the internet? How many people do you know in your real life who could send, who have a wallet, who have a Bitcoin wallet? How many people in your environment, in your real life, do you know who have a Bitcoin wallet? Write that number please down in chat right now. All right, for me personally, it's I think 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, maybe 4. For me, it's maybe 4. Yeah. So I know 5 people in my real life that have a wallet. All right, so we have one with 10. All right, then 0.20036 5%. Okay, over 5, 10, 5. All right, all right. So you guys were already talking a little bit about Bitcoin and so on, All right, but we still have a lot of people. Do you see what's going on in here, guys? We still have a lot of people in here. We still have a lot of people who are the only one in their environment who are involved in Bitcoin. Obviously, we also have a lot. Oh, Chef Afdal, 22 people. All right. Ankush 7 as well. All right, a lot here. 6, super. CryptoPanda 4, Earn Bitcoin 5. All right, so, all right, maybe, but I think personally that $10 plus, only friends, family 0, all from my work that I got on. All right, wow, there are a lot of people actually in chat right now. Amazon accepts Bitcoin. It's only a rumor. Earn Bitcoin, only a rumor still. All right, guys, we can stop it right now with the numbers. Thank you very much for participating. Very nice. So I think that you could see that there are a lot of people out there who are the only one in their environment, right? A lot of people say that only their friends, so probably the younger people. And yeah, but it's interesting. Well, on the other hand side, it's kind of obvious because we are in this stream right now. Well, basically, you guys are watching the stream right now, and I'm doing this stream because we are cryptocurrency pioneers, kinda. We are very early in this game. And I'm pretty sure that most of you guys who were writing down these bigger numbers right now, so numbers above 2, 3, you guys are probably all these kind of guys who are eager to tell people about it because it's that good, right? So probably in your community, you are the one who understands most about Bitcoin. That's what I expect. But anyway, Sonny, maybe a giveaway contest. No, we're not going to do a giveaway today, man. The problem with doing giveaways is that, I mean, it seems to, I mean, I really like to do giveaways. But the problem with doing giveaways is that if I do a giveaway, then 4 videos after that giveaway video, people are still posting their wallet address and they're not even watching the video. They're just posting the wallet address. And, you know, I mean, I want to have this channel. Obviously, I want to make the channel, I want to grow the channel as well, but not on a way where I'm kind of buying my subscribers, more on a way that everyone has a comfortable experience, you know. And if the chat is full, I mean, if we're doing a giveaway, obviously you should post your wallet address then. But if people are just posting their wallet address everywhere, I mean, what do you expect? That I'm sending you Bitcoin right now when I'm not even mentioning a giveaway in the video? I mean, how, you know, I don't understand. And yeah. What is Electroneum? Electroneum is an ICO or a coin which pretends or which imitates mining on a mobile phone. It's actually not mining, but it gives you the experience of mining. It's a marketing thingy. I have a video about it in my ICO review series. Do you have a video about how to get a crypto wallet? Yes, I do, Matthias. Yes, I do. I have that somewhere on my channel, and I can tell you where. That should actually be in this playlist in here. New in crypto, watch this. This is so funny. Most of the people who are watching my channel, they are not new in cryptocurrency. They already know actually a lot about cryptocurrency. So the videos I make for newer people, pretty much no one is watching it, but there is very valuable information in here. I'm gonna post that real quick. There's actually very valuable information in this video. And yeah, no one cares about it. So that's kind of funny. But yeah, I still like, I mean, I like to do these videos, and I like to do tutorials. I like to do helpful videos. And of course, I also like the affiliate marketing. There's no doubt about that. But yeah, I think the channel should be a mix of everything, like, so pretty much a station where, like, have a little bit of everything. Yeah. I think Bitcoin will hit $8,500 in the next 2 weeks. Yeah, could be. I'm not saying that is impossible. This is definitely possible. Oh, we're going here a little bit bullish right now, guys. Maybe the breakthrough. Could be the breakthrough. We're not really overbought. All right, let's see. Between 20 and 25 minutes, 6K can happen. It can happen, yeah. I think that as well. Please talk about Smart Cash. What is Smart Cash? Or what exactly do you want to know about Smart Cash? Is it hard to talk about crypto to newbies? Actually, yes, Jay Jackson. Sometimes it is, yes. The problem is that I'm not really gonna get involved that much because in my real life, in my real environment, when people are asking me about Bitcoin, I'm totally passive. I'm telling them those are risky investments, and I'm doing good because I have a YouTube channel and so on. So yeah, that's a little bit of a difference, And I don't really want to try to convince them or anything. I'm answering their questions, but I'm really not trying to convince them at all. And when they're like, yeah, but it's just a bubble, and so on, then I'm not even gonna answer. I'm not gonna get involved into a discussion. I have my opinion about cryptocurrencies, and I personally know what can happen and I see the potential, but I'm also saving myself a little bit for risks by cashing out a little bit when Bitcoin is high. And yeah, I'm making my journey pretty much. I'm making my journey, and then I'm not really. I don't really want to get into depth with these people. Then when they're just like, yeah, but this is all a bubble. This is all a Ponzi scheme or whatever. Yeah, whatever. I mean, there's people out there in Switzerland, actually. And in Switzerland, we have actually a high acceptance so far for cryptocurrencies. We have 1,200 devices, APMs from the Swiss Federal Railways, which offers Bitcoin. You can send it, you can pay with cash and send it to your wallet. And that's the official Swiss Federal Railways, the APMs from them, where you can buy tickets and so on. And even in here, there are people out there who are saying that Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. I mean, come on, really? I don't even know. Do you even research, bro? Why are altcoins are down today? The reason why altcoins are going down right now is because people are selling their altcoins for Bitcoin, because there will be a hard fork again in the mid of November, and then people want to have as much Bitcoin as possible. And yeah, that's why altcoins are not doing that great. And they probably won't in the next couple weeks. They probably won't recover. That's what I think. After the hard fork or shortly before the hard fork, it could be, well, actually not before the hard fork, but shortly after the hard fork, when people, well, basically after the snapshot, when people got their snapshot for their Segway to X Bitcoin. Oh wow, we're making a move here, guys. We're still bullish. We're still bullish here. We're a little bit overbought right now, but now we could break through right now. We could actually break through, I think. BTC has gained so much this year, people forget about reality. Yeah, that is true, Josh. That I totally agree there. Yeah. There is definitely a huge potential for being overhyped or for some kind of bubble, but we have the corrections. We have the corrections, and the thing is, if there are really going to be more and more services companies which are going to accept Bitcoin, let's say for example Amazon, then this whole bubble, it's not really a bubble, but this whole soaring will go on. And at some point we're maybe leveraging that too much, that hype. I mean, there is a hype, and maybe the leverage on the leverage on the next leverage on that leverage makes it too much then. So it could end ugly. It could end ugly. It is possible. The chances are very low in my opinion, but it could end ugly. On CoinMarketCap, Regal Coin lost its market cap, don't know why, but price skyrockets. All right. Well, I heard actually bad things about Regal Coin, that they're not letting the whales pay out. So basically their coin can only go up because they're not allowing people to withdraw their money, which is kind of weird. Amazon rumors today, we shall see. Yeah, I know we had, but it's only rumors. It's only rumors. People were saying, or some people were saying that it's confirmed, but it's not confirmed. It's only rumors. Hard fork is 20 days ahead. Yeah, that could be pretty much exactly, yeah. But we don't know that yet because it still depends on the blocks, right? Is there any legit way to get free Bitcoin doing some online work? Yeah, you can do affiliate marketing. I mean, those people who have 4,000 BitConnect referrals, they're doing good online, right? B2X can exchange already. In some future markets, I think. I'm not quite sure where you can. Well, we can actually check that real quick. Let's see, B2X, and we go to the markets. Wow, it's still on 1,021. Look at that, guys. I mean, if you think about that, just think about it. With 6.3 Bitcoin, I'm just getting $6,000 for free. I mean, what? Oh, wow, that's actually pretty good. On Hit BTC, you can already trade it. It seems that you can already trade it there. Hit BTC, X rates, yeah. Wow, that's actually very cool. And Hit BTC, this is funny right now, guys. Hit BTC, the first or one of the first exchanges which trades SegWit2X, B2X, and Hit BTC announced that by the end of this month, at the 31st of October, they will trade BitConnect. This is not a joke, guys. I just released a video today about that. And you guys know that I support both camps, or well, that I support both camps, that I basically just show you arguments from both camps. But I don't know. I mean, well, wow, and BitConnect is on 220. Wait a second. All right, we have to log in BitConnect real quick. Just real quick. All right. So, yeah, so basically the BitConnect coin itself, this over here, this BitConnect coin in here makes it to the Hit BTC exchange, which is the first exchange which supports SegWit2X. Or which trades SegWit2X actually. So basically what they're doing, they just have a database where they know exactly which person will have how much Bitcoin or SegWit2X. And based on that, they're doing the trading, I think. Where to check the blockchains? The blockchains are not existing yet. The blockchains, not even the Bitcoin Gold blockchain does exist yet. That's the funny thing about it. I was basically, when I first figured that out, how that whole thing works, then I was like, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. When should I sell my Bitcoin? Never. That will probably be the best. If I lent $1,010 on BitConnect 2 days ago, I would have made approximately 20 in interest. However, if I just held the coin, I would have been up 100. Well, yeah, but that's a very short time, Mark Lane. That's a very short time frame there. But yeah, you're right about that. What if you staked it? That's an interesting thing. I think it's better to stake BCC. Yeah, that's what I thought as well. I will maybe start staking BCC in the future. I'm not 100% sure about it yet. I'm not 100% sure about it yet. Right now, I basically just want to hold as much Bitcoin as possible. Should we sell altcoins right now or wait for some time? Well, selling altcoins right now is actually not a good idea. You're too late already, my friend, because that's what everyone is doing right now. The problem is that people learned from past hard forks, so they know exactly right now if they sell their altcoins for Bitcoin, they will have more Bitcoin, so they will get more Bitcoin 2x for free. All right, so you are already a little bit late. Altcoins right now, the right thing, and that's what I did a few days ago when Bitcoin was at like 6,000. What I did was I was actually buying Ethereum and Litecoin for Bitcoin. So the other way around, I bought a little bit of, I think I bought 10 Ethereum and 50 Litecoin. And yeah, but it was just to have a little bit of these, you know. I basically just want to stack Bitcoin right now. until the hard fork. So where are we? 590. Oh, we're actually bearish right now. All right, let's see. But we're not overbought or oversold, so this could go either way right now. Sonny, I really respect you, man. Very honest guy. You're welcome, man. Glad you like it, man. What is the graph below, guys? What does it mean? Well, basically, it is very simple. Those two lines over here, those are just two different moving averages. A moving average is basically a line which is out of dots made from a specific interval. So let's say this point over here is made out of a moving average with 9 candlesticks, for example. Then this point is based on the nine last candlesticks. All right. So, and this point over here over this 9, and this over here over this 9, and this here over this 9, and this here over this 9. So basically this in here shows you just two different moving averages. So it says you something about, I don't know the English word for it. I'm not really good in English math. I could explain you the math behind it exactly in German, but not in English actually. So it just says it just, if something is going up and down, all right, when something has that swing, you can just see basically with this line when they're crossing how fast that swing is, all right, in what kind of a swing we are, all right. And right now when the blue line over here, when this moving average crosses over here, we have a bullish one. So basically that means we have an upswing, or we are starting an upswing. So the signals look like the start of an upswing. All right, just from a technical point of view. And the other way around, it would be the signal for a possible or for the start of a downswing. And this over here is the RSI. This basically is just a mathematician came up with this in here. Basically, it's just, he said that when comparing these over here, or when comparing, you know, like sell and buy behaviors of people, you can sell at some point when people are buying too fast that you're getting oversold. All right, so again, that upswing would be too fast. And if you are over, or if you are overbought, for example, so if you're overbought, and he basically just declared 70, this is just a number he declared as a critical point. So if you're oversold, and if you're over 70 in here, the chances for a drop, the chances for a small correction just from the sell and buy behavior is very likely to happen. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So basically overall, when people are reading off of these, actually they mean nothing. They pretty much mean nothing. Sometimes they work, sometimes you see a little bit of an indication, but if you're experienced enough, you can just see the exact same thing by just watching at the chart. All right, so basically at the end of the day, is even if it looks fancy, but actually those numbers, or those in here, are actually more for amateurs than kinda, well, I don't know. It's just that, you know, basically if they would work, then everyone would trade off these, and then everything would change again. So yeah, it is up to you how to work with these. My trust in these indicators is not very high, to be honest. I rather try to read the big things going to happen, like as I said with the next hard fork, that the all coins will get sold for Bitcoin, so people get more Bitcoin to to profit. BitConnect will be giving mass interest. They're going to make thousands of SegWit. Oh, I'm not sure how they're going to happen that, Palm Boss. Maybe they're just paying us out our Bitcoin 2x. It could happen. You expect more spike if it hits 6,000. Actually, I do. From what we see right now and from what news we hear. I mean, it could be that we're not going to make it to 6,000 right now, but I think that in the early November, like after the first 5 days of November, then it will start. So in 1 week, 2 weeks, then it will actually start to really go up because people preparing for the hard fork. That's what I think. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong, you know. I mean, it could always be wrong, but from past hard forks, from my experience, that's what's going to happen. I have 880 in active loans. I'm a little fish here. Well, I'm a little fish too, you know. That's all relative. I have 21k and I'm still a little fish, you know. I'm not able to send the BTC from Exodus. Alright, well, I had no issues lately. Well, actually, I never had issues, actually. BTC wallet on Exodus is unavailable, really? That right? Not for me though. All right. Yeah, it can happen. It can happen. I mean, of course, they're always doing updates and so on. So, yeah. If the Amazon news true, massive spike, definitely. But it's still rumors, Andros. It's still rumors. So we have no confirmation. I think we will have big run up on first week of November. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's what I think as well. You're welcome, Crypto Andrew. New Ethereum ICO, earn daily interest on your crypto. Give the white paper a look. No, thank you, sir. Why don't you build mining rigs for Ethereum? It's profitable to do yourself than Genesis. Actually, I don't think that Ethereum mining is profitable at all. So I would not invest more. If I would build a mining rig at home, which is something I'm not gonna do, then I would make it Bitcoin mining. Sonny, try to exchange to BTC or BTC. You mean the exchange is not working? Oh, all right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that can happen. Sonny, do you have Skype? Yeah, but I'm only talking Skype if it's getting very, very, very deep with business inquiries. Otherwise, you can just contact me on Facebook. There's a very high chance that I'm gonna answer. If it's not, like you wanna dragging me into something with your referral link. Is this an okay moment to buy Bitcoin? Oh man, that's hard to tell, man. If you're not sure about it, why not splitting your investment, taking 50% of your investment, buy it right now, and then wait, and if it's going for a dip again, you can just buy another 50% of your investment to Bitcoin there. Alright, if you're not sure about it. I would personally say it's always a good time to buy Bitcoin if you're long term. Can you give me your Skype? No, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. As I said, contact me on Facebook. My Bitcoin wallet on Exodus is showing wrong balance and I cannot... What is showing wrong balance? Alright, that's weird. For me, it's showing the right balance, actually, I think. But it's unavailable, yeah. But I'm not scared or anything. Well, Exodus has always been here and Exodus will always be here. I mean... It's funny that people complain about high fees on Bitcoin. I call bullshit on that. I send 30,000 USD and it costs me $8. 52 USD, I think that is cheap. Yeah, definitely. Imba Wombat. Yeah. I think that too. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you there. I mean, I see it. I mean, when I buy stuff online with PayPal or something, I have fees on my credit card. I have fees on PayPal. I have fees everywhere. I have fees on my bank account for changing Swiss francs to euros. It's crazy. It's crazy. Really. I'm totally on your side there. If you send higher amounts, then it's great. It's awesome. You can move so much money with such a low fee. It's crazy. If I invest in BCC $100, when is the soonest way to take it back? If you invest $100, if you do a $100 loan, you get the money back after 299 days. That's when you get your initial investment back. Plus, obviously, every day you get the lending profits in your lending wallet, the interest rates. Oh, actually, oh, wow. Huge level bonus there. Oh, that's cool. Alrighty, so, what do we have? We have the volatility software. I want to check that real quick, actually. Oh, yeah, right. That's gonna, I hope Bitcoin is gonna go up more. That's gonna be nice, but wow, what's really impressive is the value of the coin. I probably have to start stake. I really have to do that, I guess. Yeah, we will see. We will see. Where are we in here? 5945. All right. Yes, people are just talking out of their ass without doing any transactions. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Is it safe to invest in BitConnect now? How about Regal Coin, or shall I just go with BitPetite? If you want to go into one of these lending programs, then there's only BitConnect. With the news we have right now from BitConnect with their ceremony, music album, hitting the Hit BTC exchange, which is huge in my opinion. The partnership with Uquid for the debit card. as I said, just watch my most recent BitConnect video, guys. And you guys know I definitely want to show you guys the both sides. All right, I want to show you the pro and con arguments for BitConnect. So just watch all my BitConnect videos. If you want to have a good opinion about it, watch all my BitConnect videos, and you pretty much know, in my opinion, you pretty much know everything you have to know, from the good side and from the bad side, and then you can make your decision if you want to make an investment. Click the left tab, show daily rate. I think I did that already, right? Yeah, looks pretty decent in here. Yep. 1-day chart. Yeah, we're definitely going up right now. Yeah, we'll see. There's gonna be a few very good days actually. You're right about that. BitConnect is king on all these programs. Yes, definitely. Yeah, that's for sure. What is your take on music business with Bitcoin? I don't really, to be honest, that whole thingy, I don't think that is a way to go. I don't think that's gonna make it more serious or anything. It's more ridiculous, kinda, to be honest. I'm not really a fan of that. But the thing is, you have to see it that way. Asians are really different people. All right, they have a different mentality. Those people are more into gambling, for example, than Europeans. I definitely know about that because I was talking to people, and like, so things they are doing maybe seem to be weird for us, but for them it's just normal that you promote such a program with a music album. I'm more interested into news, for example, that they announced a partnership, that they want to bring out the debit card. I thought that they're going to make it themselves, but they have a partnership right now with Uquid. And yeah, we will see. I mean, there's a lot going on, that's for sure. I'm a newbie. I use Luno wallet, but their charts are slow and showing our candles. Man, it's shit living in a junk status country like South Africa. Why can you not just use Exodus wallet? But I totally agree that some countries are actually going to make it hard for cryptocurrencies, yeah. Hextra Coin, Falcon Coin, Santa Coin, Electro Coin, ETH Connect, Homeblock Join. In which ICO would you invest? The only one where I will invest of those, but just a little amount, because I think it's totally garbage, but I think we can make some profits, or I can make some profits. ETH Connect. I have a video about that, but I will not gonna promote it anymore. I just did a video once about it, and I told people that I don't even have the referral link in my other videos. I just have it in that one video. All right, and I'm maybe gonna throw in a couple $100 and try to get a huge, like lucky punch like Regal coin, and then dump it instantly as fast as I can. But all the others, if you want to invest into a lending program, it's only BitConnect, no other program. What is better options, guys? I'll buy all coins with my Bitcoin while also dumping and sell it after hard forward, sell Ultimate Maximize for free, second 2x. To be honest, if you have a lot of altcoins still, then you have a problem right now, because basically you want to have as much Bitcoin as possible. I mean, think about that. The 2x coin right now, B2X, has a value of $1,017. So if this hits an exchange, or if you can dump this for Bitcoin or for something else for $1,017 per coin, this is a lot of free money. Basically, this is on top of your Bitcoin 25%, 20%, excuse me, 20%, 18%, something like that. I don't know. And yeah, so that's a lot of profit actually. But if you want to get into altcoins, it's up to you, man. Where to buy BitConnects? On the BitConnect website itself. And by the end of October, also on Hit BTC. Debit card will not be available in the US. Oh, I'm not sure about that, Alan. I'm not 100% sure about that, but good bring that point up. That's definitely a point we have to discuss in the future. But I'm not sure about that. Sonny, if I invest $100 in BitConnect and the price rise, my invest will return in fast mode or in 299 days. Well, if you get high interest rates, if you get, let's say, if you get 1% every day for 100 days, then obviously you have your $100 back, but your loan will continue. All right, your loan will still be locked for another 199 days because it had initially 299 days. So you will still profit every day, however the interest rate is. Let's say it's 1%, but it's 0.9 or something like that, or 0.8, I don't know, without bonuses. Hi Sonny, is there a time period in which one must claim their Bitcoin Gold and Segway 2x? No, there's no time period. You can wait pretty much forever. You can claim your Bitcoin Gold in 10 years. I mean, if Bitcoin Gold will still be existing then. Are you in USI Tech? No, I think it's a scam. I have a video about that. Which payment possibilities with cards are there with Bitcoin in Switzerland? Actually, I don't have a card yet, but a friend of mine has one, or he has ordered one from 10x, and I will not buy, or I will not order one of these cards yet. I want to wait until they have, or until one of those projects has proven itself. Because what I heard is from the Uquid card, for example, that you can only have $200 or something like that on it. And for me, that's like, well, if I go grocery shopping with my girlfriend for 1 week, well, we spend more than $200 for one grocery shopping. I mean, I live in Switzerland. Things are expensive in here. And, yeah, so for me, those cards right now, they don't make any sense. I mean, I don't need one. So what I do is I wait until I see which project is the best one, and then I'm just going to order a card from there. USI Tech is a scam, but you're investing in ETH Connect. Well, I will not. I never said that ETH Connect is not a scam. I just say that maybe I can land a big hit, but USI Tech doesn't have a coin where you can do the pump and dump game. But on ETH Connect, well, I'm not really pumping it. Otherwise, I would promote it harder. But I think that a lot of YouTubers will hype it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buy a few coins. They pretty much hype it, or pretty much everyone is hyping it, and I'm just going to dump it when it hits the exchange. That's the plan. And on USI Tech, that's not possible because they don't have a coin. I don't think USI Tech is a scam. Just watch my video about it. I have a video about USI Tech, guys. Just type in Sonny Decree USI Tech. I think you will find it. I live in Australia. Things are also very expensive here. Yeah, that's true, actually. I heard about that, yeah. I think that Australia is comparable, actually, to Switzerland, from what I heard. Used to live in Australia. I freaking love it there. All right. I heard a lot of good things about Australia, actually, yeah. Can you see if Smart Cash is a scam? Maybe in the future. Maybe Maybe you should write down that comment below below one of my ICO reviews, and I always go through the comments, and then when I see, all right, a lot of people want to hear something about this or that, then I'm gonna make a video about it. USI Tech people bored me to death. All right. What's the best lending ICO right now? Well, the best lending program is definitely still BitConnect, but the best lending ICO, the one which will get the most hype in the future, is probably ETH Connect. That's what I think. I have a video about it. Sonny Decree review Strick. Never heard about it, actually. What's your take on Condrium, Sonny? Not really anything good I can say about it. If you gain something with BTC, are there taxes in Switzerland? I pay my taxes just as I just pay income taxes. I have to actually talk to a bookie, but what I'm gonna do is basically I'm just the amount of money I pay out from my Coinbase to my real bank account where I have in Swiss francs. That amount of money, I'm gonna pay taxes for that. I'm gonna pay full income taxes on that because that is basically money I earned, right? But the cryptocurrency itself, how to declare that in Switzerland, I think it's not regulated yet. But I will talk to the bookie. But I'm pretty sure that he doesn't even know it. We will see. How much are you putting into ETH Connect? Well, just a little. Just a very little. I don't even know. I don't want to give you a number, so you guys are going in way too big. I used you as my referral in BitConnect, even though I knew about BitConnect from Mr. Trevon James. It's just I love your channel and your intelligence. Thank you very much, ally. And welcome. What do you think about Falcon Coin, Sonny? Not much. I think I have a video about it, but I'm not quite sure. Taxes do not know how to deal with crypto profits yet. Yeah, I know. But if I just pay full income taxes, there's nothing wrong with that because it was my income. It was coming to my bank account. So if they want to control me, then they can fully see, all right, everything he earned, he declared. So I'm good, right? But as I said, I would talk to the bookie. The US government has a section for crypto to be plugged in, as Ness said. But yeah, you guys have to see it that way as well. I have to tell you that I heard that from other people who actually have more experience in this area. And I can tell you one thing, that in Switzerland, in other countries, it is way, how can I say that? If you do something wrong with your taxes, you're gonna get into trouble way harder in other countries than in Switzerland, all right? So basically in Switzerland, you just pay a fine then, like, all right, you have to pay more taxes right now because you didn't do that. And on top of that, you have to pay a fine and all these costs which were generated because of researching your case or whatever. I don't even know, something like that. But in Switzerland, from what I heard, it is not really, like that a big deal if you are not doing everything 100% correct on your taxes. I mean, it is a big deal for me, obviously, because I want to do everything perfectly right. That's how I am, I don't want to have anything which is not correct, or I don't want to get into any trouble. I want to try to do it as good as I can. And but still, in other countries, you're gonna get into way deeper troubles. Hey man, sorry for off topic, but have you seen Oyster Protocol ICO? No, I haven't. ETHConnect faked their whole founder team with wrong identities. Yeah, I saw that. I actually saw that screenshot. I will do a video about that probably soon. Yeah, you're right about that. I've seen that. But as I said, I said in the video already, I don't really trust that the program is going to be, like something sustainable. But I know that the program will get hyped on YouTube, not from me. I just have one video and it will just be that one video, but that program will get hyped. I'm telling you that, and you guys know it, that it's true. I mean, you can see the views, all right? You can basically, if you want to know how good an ICO is, or how an ICO succeeded, you can go to my ICO review series and check how many views an ICO actually have. I'm going to show you that real quick. And the fun thing is that you can actually see then how many people are interested in which ICO. It's crazy, actually. It's crazy. And it kind of does work. So if you go to my channel, oh, please, come on. If you go to my channel, you go to the ICO review series and look at that. All right, look at that. We started with Hextra Coin with 3,400 views. Then Electroneum, almost 10,000 views. And you guys know that Electroneum was one of the most hyped of these programs. Western Coin, Paragon Coin, no one cared really. Uquid ICO, well, this would have been more views if it already would have been clear that BitConnect, that the partnership is going on. So that was not clear by then. Otherwise, it would probably have more. Then Robinhood, this was a bad one. I was not doing enough research about Robinhood. It actually does not belong in this series, to be honest. Then Engine Coin, and now look at this, ETHConnect, bam. All right, and it's same titles and everything, right? Well, it's BitConnect in there, but still. So yeah, that means that people are interested in that. So that means that there is a potential pump and dump going on, and I'm trying to make a little bit of a profit there. Yeah. I mean, what should I tell you? I mean, for what are we doing this, right? What's up, Sonny? Yo, Gulp Solution, welcome to the channel. Are you from Switzerland? Yes, I am. ETHConnect did not disclose their founder team. How do they fake it? Yeah, no, actually, there were actually videos about it. Or there was actually a Twitter post about it, that someone was finding himself on the ETHConnect development team, and that was actually not him. So they removed it. Something like that happened. But I have to do the research. You think we should sell at least half our altcoins for BTC? I'm not sure if that's the right time right now, because altcoins are already low and Bitcoin is very high. So basically, if you buy Bitcoin right now with altcoins, what you're doing is you're selling altcoins cheap and you're buying Bitcoin expensive. That's pretty much what you're doing right now. So I'm not sure about that. Which part? You don't really have a Swiss accent. Zurich, near Zurich. Bitcoin is pumping on Amazon rumor. Well, maybe Philip, it is a combination right now. It is a combination between the upcoming hard fork and the Amazon rumor, yeah. But Amazon, the announcement is not official. So maybe buy the rumor, sell the news. It's time for that. How do I claim my Bitcoin Gold with my private key? You can't yet, Josh Folino, you can't yet. But what you can do is you can go to my channel and check out this video over here. Warning, Bitcoin Gold, no replay protection. Wait, I'm going to post you that real quick. This is so good actually, guys, that I was putting time in these videos. I mean, some of these videos, they're not really getting a lot of views, but most of the times I can answer a question by just showing one of my videos. That's actually very nice. So yeah, we're doing good. So yeah, guys, if you like my content, make sure to hit that sub button. Once every hour I can sell out myself, right? No, we're gonna save that for the end. So yeah, we're doing great, guys. Awesome, really. It seems that people really appreciate my content, and I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate your feedback and so on. And I know that a lot of people actually don't really like that I play both camps on BitConnect, but to be honest, you know, to sleep at night, I have to show different point of views, and so people can actually build their own picture if they want to invest into these programs. That's pretty much my approach. So yeah, some people like it, some don't, but I appreciate everyone who is here and hanging around. Where do you think altcoins will go by the end of the day? No idea, man. No idea. I think over the next couple days, couple weeks, there will be more people selling altcoins for Bitcoin. But I'm not sure if you're too late, you know. So altcoins will, in my opinion, altcoins will drop more. But yeah. I just heard Bitcoin will fork again in December with another hard fork called Bitcoin Silver. Really? Is that true? Well, that's not true, right? That would be funny, man. Where's Bitcoin Silver? Do you have anything about Bitcoin Silver? Bitcoin Silver. No, there's nothing silver in here. Alright, so there's no Twitter post of any of the people I'm following about Bitcoin Silver. So that's not a good sign. To confirm this news. So let's see. Is there anything in here about Bitcoin Silver? Not that I know, right? Is there anything about Bitcoin Silver, guys? Is that really true? It would be kind of funny, let's be honest. I mean, I just hold Bitcoin over all these hard forks and I'm just rich from all these offsprings. That's weird, man. That's weird. Where is Segwit2x at? Alright, still 117. That's great. Silver is for Litecoin, alright. Sonny, I want to live with you. I think that's not possible, man. I think that my girlfriend would not be happy about that. I can ask her though, but I don't think she would be amused. Bitcoin Silver incoming for real. Yeah, but alright. Ivan on Tech made a joke video that he's going to start Bitcoin Bronze. Yeah, it's actually getting ridiculous. The thing is that people who are watching this from outside, they can just point at us and laugh and like, look at these. They are just forking and basically all they were saying about, well, we just have a certain amount of Bitcoin. That's basically all just completely nonsense because inflation is just done by splitting Bitcoin. That's actually really weird. I could actually do a video about that, but that would actually be very high. I think that most of the people would not understand it, but it's if you think about it, if you compare inflation, all right, what's the actual problem in our current financial market, all right? Pretty much if you compare that with offsprings of Bitcoin or with forks, it's pretty much the exact same thing, right? Just think about that for a second. Info is out. December Bitcoin Silver. I got the insider info. All right, we will see, man. I don't believe you 100% right now. But yeah, we'll see. Where does the market cap for Bitcoin forks come from? From future trading, Hinish. There are you have to see it that way. Bitcoin Gold, the snapshot is done, but Bitcoin Gold does not exist yet. The blockchain does not exist yet. Okay, but it's already getting traded because if you had your Bitcoin, for example, on Bitfinex, let's say you had 10 Bitcoin over there, then Bitfinex knows in their database or in their blockchain, if they have one, or just in their database, that you will also have 10 Bitcoin Gold in the future. So you can already trade with that. all right, and they know exactly how much Bitcoin Gold they have. So if they don't fuck up with the database, then they can just, you know, like trade Bitcoin Gold, but it does not even exist anymore because they hold all the private keys. Sonny, if you were in the USA with $200,000 cash, where would you go to buy Bitcoin fast and securely? Also pretend you're urgently wanted to invest in BitConnect. Thanks and keep up the hard work. Bitcoin, I'm not the best person to ask because I'm personally in Switzerland. I use Coinbase, but if you want to go in with $200,000, I heard that, I don't know, I'm not sure. Maybe someone in the chat can help. I heard of Gemini, Kraken, CoinMama. I'm not sure where you can. I mean, that's a huge amount. On Coinbase, you have to go through several security thingies and so on. I'm not sure what is the limit on Coinbase. I just don't know. I have to tell you, I just don't know it. What is the next Bitcoin high? Oh, I'm not sure about that. Google Maps Bitcoin ATM. Kraken, all right. So yeah, maybe some guys. So maybe some guys in chat can give you some advice about that. I mean, $200,000. To be honest, I started my cryptocurrency journey with 8,000 Swiss francs. That's roughly $8,000 from my own bank account, from my own money I worked for, I sweat for, I bled for. No, I'm just kidding. But from my own pocket, yeah. And it was pretty much an all-in, actually. That's kind of weird. Well, not really. No, it was not really an all-in, but it was a good amount of my money. It was a good amount of my money, definitely. And but the thing is, I was so convinced about it, and I still am. And right now, it turned out to be the best decision in my life. I mean, so far, right? Here I am again with the Sunny coin. Yeah, we're gonna make a Sunny coin, guys. We're gonna make a Sunny coin. And the coin is teaching people about Bitcoin, something completely stupid. No, we're not going to do that, guys. We're not going to do that. I mean, I know that with my community, I could already start pumping dumps and stuff like that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. You know, I want to keep it. I don't want to, you know, I don't want to be greedy or anything. I mean, I don't want to offer any programs, learn how to trade with Sunny Decree for $200 an hour, you know, like stuff like that. That's not my style. That's just not my style. So, yeah, stuff like that, a Sunny coin or something like that. No, that's not going to happen. Saw a spike in Ethereum during the last fork. Think it'll happen during the Segway 2X? Not sure about that. Not sure about that, to be honest. Wait for Bitcoin down to 4K, 4.5K and put your money in. Well, is Bitcoin going back to 4.5, 4K? I am not sure about that, to be honest. I am really not sure about that. That could get tough. That could get tough. CoinMama 1 million can get. So yeah, but if you invest, before you invest, you should definitely research these platforms. So if you're not sure about an exchange, watch a few videos, read a few comments and so on. Watch how many viewers they have, check how many customers they have and so on. Hast du dir CCG Mining mal angeguckt? No, I didn't. Sonny, you need to check out loanbit.net. Not right now, man. Not right now. Bitcoin will back down to 3K in December. What? Okay. All right, guys. Another game. Time for another game, guys. Lovely chat. Be ready for another game. Who thinks that Bitcoin will go back to 3,000? Types in 0. And who thinks that Bitcoin will go to 10,000 will type in 1. All right. So type in chat 0 for that Bitcoin goes to 3,000 and 1 that Bitcoin goes to 10,000. Let's see if we have optimists or pessimists in here. Sunny Decree, how do you think about the YouTubers will react when one of the top high EVs being promoted goes down? Will their channel survive? That depends. If they only have content about that platform, then probably not, no. But if they have good quality content, then I think yes. All right, guys. Again, 0 for Bitcoin, $3,000, a 1 for Bitcoin, $10,000. What is going on in chat in here? Are we rocking the boat? All right, but you guys can just, guys, it's enough if you just if you type it once. All right, all right. So yeah, it's only Charles pretty much. All right, you can stop, guys. You can stop, guys. We're good. We're good. But you guys can see that we have more optimists in here than pessimists. I don't know what that says about, like, well, actually, it maybe does say something about it. It says that people are still euphoric about Bitcoin. Of course, you guys watching in here, you're more interested in cryptocurrencies than others, but yeah, we are all not like, oh, I want to make a quick buck. I want to get out of it as fast as possible, right? We don't have that attitude. We all believe in it. I mean, some of us, me too. I mean, we're taking a little bit out, if you make some profits. I mean, of course, to save a little bit in fiat, there is nothing wrong with that if you make the profits. I mean, first of all, I wanted to have my $8,000 back because I invested with my from my own bank account, and of course I paid that back twice. Actually, I paid actually a little bit more. Actually, 3 times I paid that back to my bank account, and but the rest I have full in cryptocurrency. I'm actually big in cryptocurrency, and that's because I believe in it. And most of us are like this, I think. I mean, a little bit, cashing out a little bit, nothing wrong with that. But most of us, I think we're here for the long game. Stay away from hash flares, scammers. Why? There from time to time there are people actually talking about hash flare, and I have no issues with hash flare. I mean, yes, they changed their contracts, but that's already old news. Sunny Decree, how long you play in cryptocurrency? Oh, how much is that right now? It's actually not too long. I can tell you where I started. Let's go back to where I started. I started with cryptocurrencies here. No, actually not here. Somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. Between June and July. Yeah, so in June. My cryptocurrency journey started in June officially. So at around, let's say Bitcoin was at $2,650, something like that. That's when I started. Which mining option should I go for now? Guys, and here it comes, the Big Club Network sellout. For those who don't have mining shares at the Big Club Network and are waiting for Genesis mining contract to come back, the alternative option is the Big Club Network. Obviously, right now it probably would make more sense to just hold the Bitcoin after the hard fork. But the thing is that, and right now the payouts as well at the Big Club Network are still very low, but I will do another video about that. They will add tons of hash power. And the good thing in here is that you buy shares. So that means when they add more hash power, your payouts are getting higher. So you don't have to do reinvestments. You can do reinvestment as well to get more shares, but you don't have to. So I recommend for those people who have the money, for those people who want to invest $10,000 in Bitcoin mining, get a founder pool or get 3 founder pools in 3 accounts, or just 1 founder pool at the Big Club Network. That's actually enough, and wait with the rest for the Genesis mining contracts to come back. That's my recommendation. Link down below. Maximum sellout, guys. I totally admit it. But if people are asking for serious Bitcoin mining, Big Club Network is around since 2014. They're not joking. More sales in the last 2 months than in the last 2 years. That's what's going on at the Big Club Network. They have multi-level marketing. So if you are a good marketer, then obviously you can make huge gains, huge profits from the affiliate programs, from the team building. You can help out your people with your team, with the team building and so on. So yeah, that's pretty much that. But profitability wise, the number 1 is still Genesis mining. But yeah, they're sold out. So we have to wait. But I personally will invest more in Genesis mining because I only have 25 terahashes or 24 terahashes over there, and I will definitely have another 100 terahashes over there. Just buy Bitcoin, don't buy the mining, lol. Yeah, that is probably the best idea right now. That is true. I just think that if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, if you want to have those daily payouts lock away a little bit so you're not doing crazy moves, not more than 50% of your portfolio should be invested into these programs. I think that 50% of your portfolio should be just holding the actual coins. That is my recommendation if you want to get into these investments. So maybe 50% just Bitcoin, the other 50% Genesis mining a little bit, BitClub Network a little bit, and maybe you want to take a little bit of risk with BitConnect or even an ICO like, I don't even know, like Regal Coin or whatever, but that should just be like 5% or 2% or whatever of your total investment. You should always have the biggest amount of money invested in the safest and slowest part, and lower the amounts invested down as higher as the risk goes. That is my, recommendation. What is your portfolio in altcoins? I don't have a lot of altcoins. I can show you all my altcoins I have. I have 0.19 Dash, 200 EOS, 12 Ethereum, 50 Litecoin, and 0.15 Omice Go. Someone actually donated to me, and I still don't know who it was, and I have no idea. My Omice Go idea is not even down below in the description for the donation links. It's not even down there, and someone just sent me. I don't even know how it happened. Maybe I have put my Omice Go wallet somewhere. I forgot about it. So that's pretty much it. I'm holding and I'm stacking as much Bitcoin as possible right now for the hard fork, for the 2x hard fork. I definitely want to profit there. Sunny Decree, what do you earn at 24 terahashes a day? We can actually check that real quick. The thing is that I'm only mining with 17 right now, because 7 terahashes were coming from the pre-sale and they're not mining yet. Those are not mining yet. So yeah, but I can roughly calculate it real quick. So 24 terahashes. Why is that so slow? So 24 terahashes is 24,000 gigahashes. We have no costs in here. The fee depends, but it's roughly like it's around 30%. It depends a little bit. Then the hardware cost for 24 terahashes would be, I can calculate that real quick. That would be, wait a second, how much would that be? That would be $150 times 24, $3,600 times 0.97, 3% discount code, 3492. Alrighty, that will be per day $21. $21 as we speak right now, 165.9 days break-even point. So yeah, Bitcoin mining. That's what's up, pretty much, at Genesis Mining. But as I said, they're sold out, so yeah, we're screwed. But I'm probably gonna invest $10 up to $13,000, something like that. I think I will buy 100 terahashes, and yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Yep. Coinbase will choose B2X as real BTC. No, that's not sure, actually. That's actually not sure, Acosta. That only happens if Segway 2X is going to get more support, right? How can I check the cryptocurrency owner distribution over the world? For instance, where the majority of Bitcoin. Oh, I'm not sure about that. If how that is possible. I'm not sure about that, Ahmad. You can definitely not say which person, but you could maybe find out which wallet. But I'm not sure about that. Check Hashflare, Sonny. I already have Hashflare. Oh, is there something going on? No, don't tell me there's something going on again. That's the only thing I see. Due to technical reasons, web money payment method is temporarily unavailable. Due to the high load on Bitcoin network and number of unconfirmed transactions, we have to be enforced change the minimum withdrawal on a commission to blah, blah, blah. This means that the minimum balance to make a withdrawal is now 0.0016 Bitcoin. This is a measure to increase the speed and stability of Bitcoin withdrawals. Thank you for understanding. I don't see the point. People keep complaining about Hashflare, and for me, it just does work. I mean, yeah, it's not as profitable as Genesis mining, and the problem is the contract is only 1 year. So I would not really recommend it. I'm also not really promoting it anymore. But you know, I mean, for me, the last withdrawal I did for like $600 or something, that were perfectly fine. So yeah, for me, there is not, I cannot really complain about it. Maybe you just need a little bit of patience. I mean, I'm not checking my Hashflare account every day, to be honest. Script contracts maintenance fee. Oh, all right. Where is that? Where's the news? Oh, I saw it. Oh, yeah, I remember. Yeah, I saw it on Twitter. I think. Yeah. I don't get it. Whatever. I don't have script contracts over there, so I don't care that much. But yeah, I mean, definitely Hashflare has not proven to be the best service out there as far as it comes down to Bitcoin mining. That's for sure, yeah. That's totally for sure. Alrighty. So, do you guys have any questions? What do you guys want to know? Can you check Coinbase Twitter now? Yeah, sure. Let's check Coinbase Twitter real quick. Why not, actually? Coinbase. Clarification on the upcoming Segway to X hard fork, 25th, yesterday. I think I already saw that. Yeah. We believe that letting the market decide is the best way to ensure that Bitcoin remains a fair and open platform. Yeah, that's basically what I said. They will not make the new Bitcoin, the 2x Bitcoin, the real Bitcoin with BTC. What they are going to do is they see which coin gets more support, and that's going to be their new Bitcoin then. So it could be that actually, yeah. Bitcoin is going to do to banks what email did to post office and Amazon did to retail. Actually, I don't agree there, but anyway. So, yeah. What are your thoughts on Smart? Haven't done any research yet. Still think it's going to pass 6,000 today. Possible. Still possible. But it kind of bounced off of 6,000 a little bit right now, yeah. Actually, to be honest, I mean, it could be that it takes a couple days again. Yeah, it actually looks like that. Well, I don't know. I mean, it could still go up today. But I think that the chances that we're breaking through 6,000 again in the next couple hours or next couple days is still very high. Yeah. So I think that people will start preparing for the hard fork. Maybe not all of them right now already, but definitely in the early November. It already did pass $6,000. Yeah, it did, but not right now. I think it was just speaking about now. Above 1 cent, then stop asking. Just wait. All right. Eve Connect, you're in, Sonny. I actually have one video about it. What about Electroneum? I have a video about that as well. Alright guys, so I'm going to repeat this one more time. For all those who are new to the channel, welcome everyone. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to go through real quick so you guys can actually get an answer to all these questions you have, or to most of these questions. The first line in here, the first playlist, are always the newest videos, alright? So if you want to be up to date, just follow, and yeah, you will see always the newest video. All the ICO reviews, ETH Connect, and so on. And also here, people are asking about Electroneum a lot. Just check the ICO review series. You'll find a lot in there. Then here, all my Genesis mining videos, all the BitClub Network videos, all the BitConnect videos, all the news, tutorials and breakdowns, and technology. Alright, so for example, if you want to know something about BitPetite, just type in YouTube Sonny Decree BitPetite, or Sonny Decree USI Tech, or Sonny Decree BitConnect, or whatever, and you will find my videos. Well, I'm actually pretty sure you'll find them, but yeah, you'll find them. So yeah, this was it for this stream. Thank you guys very much for being a part of that. For a little sellout, for those guys who want to be part of one of these programs, I'm involved. BitConnect or BitClub Network, Genesis Mining, and so on. There are links down below, but you already know that procedure. There's no reason to sell it out any further. So thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching my videos and so on. for participating, and I will see you in the next one. The next video will be uploaded tomorrow, I believe. I'm not quite sure what the topic will be. I have a few things in mind. There will be more ICO reviews, there will be more other videos, there will be more BitConnect and so on, Big Club Network and so on. So again, thank you guys very much for being here. Enjoy the rest of your day. And if you have any business inquiries, contact me on Facebook. All the links down below. See you guys, and happy Bitcoin, I don't even know what, soaring. See you guys. Bye-bye.